Famous rapper RODWAVE was involved in a near-fatal
Florida Tampa Bay rapper RODWAVE in near-fatal car accident totaling his brand new 2020 C8 Corvette.
I wonder if I could buy this thing. That'd be sick. So the day has finally come to pull this thing apart, and we're gonna order parts too. So we got our whiteboard. We're gonna get some goals for the day that we're gonna try to, get. We already have some parts in. I already ordered the control arm and some other stuff. But first things first, fix Corvette. All right, so that's one goal of today. What else do you think we need?
Food. I'm hungry.
Order parts. So, fix Corvette. Order parts. I mean, that's kind of like very broad, but I guess the real goal is to pull it apart and order parts. And if we could get on the road today, that'd be nice, but the chances of that happening aren't very good.
You don't think so?
Oh, also, if we could hit 100K subs today, that'd be awesome. All right, Matthew said he's getting Judah's garage tattooed on his butt if we hit 100K subs.
In the next 4 hours. Then maybe. Judah's garage starts giving me presents.
Yeah, he's got a hat.
Bro, I stole this. He still tries to take
He's been wearing this every day for a week now.
I got RODWAVE's hat on. RODWAVE's hat. Everybody fucking play it, bro. Don't touch that.
I told him if he loses his hat, I'm defriending him. Like, never again are we talking.
No, that's a fact right there.
First things first is I'm gonna get this thing on the lift it up with my quick jacks. I got these sent to me back when I bought the Hellcat, so we're gonna lift it up in the air. We're gonna start taking it apart, and also while I take it apart, I'm gonna baggie all the bolts and stuff so we don't lose anything, because there's a lot of bolts here to be lost. Dude, these quick jacks are so clutch. If I didn't have these, this would have been like, that would have taken an hour right there if we didn't have these. We're working out here. Everything you guys have been asking for. Everyone's commenting. Car, work on the car, get it fixed.
If it doesn't thread in, impact it.
This shit's so light.
Put it in the dumpster.
Yeah, we're just gonna throw these parts away, right? Oh! Jeez. Let me get this shit. Well, why are you... Don't hit nothing without me. These are squids. All right, ready? Pop it off. Work.
Pull more.
No, pull it straight. Pull it up. Oh,
I got it, bro.
Nolan goes, the whole front end needs to be redone. It's like, bro, thanks, Captain Obvious. Yo, this thing's gonna need some work, Judah. Did you see the damage when you bought it? It's so easy to work on this thing because there's so many YouTube videos online, like ripping apart my C8's front end. Bro, Dolan is the king of dumb statements. He goes, the airbag definitely deployed. So the tub is like not coming out. We yanking on it, it's supposed to just slide in, but I guess on the front end got crunched. It got stuck in there, so we're gonna have to do some whistling diesel action on this thing. Oh. Okay, oh, there it is. Ready, Matthews?
Yeah.
Teamwork. 1, 2, 3.
Oh! Dude, this shit is actually like a virgin in here. She is not abused. You see anything bent? No.
Now we got the neighbor on the trike. Look, he just he hits my neighbor's lawn. It's a damn car meet at my house right now. Look at all the cars.
Oh my god.
We're starting to work on it.
I want to see it.
Starting to see, look, I just seen this. I didn't even know this. Look at all the lines.
Oh yeah.
It looks good. Look, here's the subframe. This looks pretty good. I mean, it's not really tweaked. Look, there's a little bit. That's the only damage right there. Look at that.
Yeah, pushed over a little bit, you can see.
Yeah. Well, so look at this is the frame rail that's bad. This is what I was waiting to pull the tub out. But really, look at it. This frame rail, look at it's riveted in. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a couple rivets. But I could get new frame rails are $400 a piece. Okay. So a frame machine is like $250 an hour to use it, so it's probably a lot better deal to just buy 2 frame rails for $800, unrivet them, and then put the new ones in.
Are these welded or bolted?
Everything's bolted. Oh, nothing's welded except this part. And then this is glued too. If you see, look, there's glue in there.
Yeah.
But we already kind of broke free the glue a little bit. Rod, helped us break the glue a little bit. I think next is I'm gonna pull this fender off and this headlight and get a look at this side. And then after that, I'm gonna make a parts list and we're gonna go down to the dealership. And also I already ordered the control arms and this hub, I don't know if you guys saw yet. So this is called the knuckle, and this knuckle is still good. The new control arms come with new ball joints. So literally I just got to bolt this knuckle back on, and I just need to buy a new wheel, a new brake line, and then we can bolt up the wheel and we literally put it on 04s and drive it. But we need the other radiator to be able to actually drive it. But it's looking good. All right, so now we're gonna start taking this fender off, get it going, then go to the dealership, and we'll have it on the road by the end of the night. Don't hold me to that word though, you know. So we're pulling this fender off. I just pulled one bolt out, and it's literally like, she's coming. We got, what, 1, 2, 3 bolts, and then we got 3 more in here, and then I think it comes off. Easy. Working on your C8 ain't nothing. We got a little bit of a hold up. I'm pretty sure to get this fender off, I gotta pull this inner fender well out, and to get that out, I gotta take the wheel off, and to take the wheel off, I need the locking key, and guess what? Matthews, guess what?
Matthews.
What happened?
Guess what about the locking key?
What?
We don't got it.
Really? So what does that mean?
It means that we gotta go get the parts.
Like, do you really need it off to go get the parts?
I mean, I can start ordering stuff already. But I mean, we could go get the stuff we need now, and then tomorrow morning we could order the big stuff. You know what I mean? We could just go pick up the stuff I have now and put this front wheel back together and get a locking key and then come back. Tomorrow morning, I can order like the big chunk of all the parts. You know what I mean? Like order like as many as we need. So we're about to roll out and get some parts, but before we do that, we're taking the Hellcat, and I've been missing this secret piece of the puzzle. You gotta center it. My OCD.
I think I must have lost my wallet at the bar. I'm not even joking.
So they got my upper and lower control arm, and then they've got a knuckle, but I don't need the knuckle, and then they've got the tie rod end. So
You got shots or no? We're not keeping the drinking going?
we were just at the bar, as you can see.
In the middle of the day?
I was the DD. Honestly, I think if you don't own a Corvette shirt, you don't actually own a Corvette. You don't. How much did you guys say you give? Oh my God, it's C8. I know a guy that has one of those. Sold, do not touch.
So this is what it looks like when it's not crashed.
Hey, what do you guys get the wrenches on us?
You got the
You guys got
wrench?
the impact? Matthew. One of you guys tie my shoe, please.
Y'all want to see a nub tie?
Show them how that thing works.
Not just a nub.
A loop. Another loop.
Damn!
Was that science?
That SpongeBob taught me the loop-de-loop and pole.
SpongeBob doesn't have a fucking nub, so I can't learn from SpongeBob.
We got ourselves a new control arm, and then a new upper control arm, and then a tie rod end. And then we're gonna throw this whole hub assembly back on once these attach, and then we can mount our new wheel on, but we don't have a new wheel, so. And also we don't got no lug nut key. So, like I said, we're figuring it out as we go. They actually weren't that bad. They're like 150 bucks a piece. Whew. Look how good we're doing already.
Oh, it's almost fixed.
You're gonna wanna make sure to torque this to spec. What do you think? You take a Tinder pic right now?
I'm not taking a Tinder pic right now.
She's gonna do the.
I wanna see a boss, bro. Look at this bolt. It's totally bent.
Oh, Jesus. It's out. Little bent.
Ooh, some carnage. What up? You ready to see her? So this is my friend Elias. He knows I got a new car, but he doesn't know what I got.
Oh shit, that's the new Corvette?
Yeah, the brand new in 2020.
Bruh.
But check this out. Look at.
Huh?
You ever heard of RODWAVE?
Yeah, yeah. What about it? Oh, this is his?
This is his car.
What the fuck? Damn, bro, he fucked that shit up good though. How are you gonna fix that?
You know, in here, with your help.
Might have to hit up Bob the Builder for this one.
Bob the Builder. Yo, look at the interior though.
This shit looks serious. That shit is dumb clean.
Isn't it crazy?
Oh shit, motor in the back. Yeah, that shit's super clean. This is mad fire, I'm not gonna lie.